everyone, I'm Geneva and I'm 12 years old. I am a student of an elementary school of Jamang 6 in South Tangerang, Indonesia. I'm deeply passionate about technologies, programming, and innovations. Despite my young age, I've already developed strong skills in software and also blockchain technologies. I'm new in Python, JavaScript, and also Solidity. I make for programming and making smart contracts development. Also, Visual Studio Code, Hardhat, and Foundry for testing and building blockchain application. I also can speak English and Japanese, but I also still learning too. 私は日本とそのテクノロジーが大好きだったので、ヘズ行ってみたいです。I'm also a social content creator, sharing knowledge and my journey, usually talking about technologies for inspiring the others. And I also actively participating in competitions and achieved national and international awards. Example, for the coding, for the Jabodetabek in the first place, EF for the English, and the Finalist in the Olympiad, and also in the third place of the Jakarta Academy. Also, my football team's in the second place, but we don't get the certificates if we just get to participate in the Milk Life Soccer Ball. Yeah, and I've participated in the others competitions too. And also, I win the third place in the Manta Hackathon in Indonesia Hacker House in the third place. From all of the achievements, it motivated me to learn that I didn't know, and I want to learn more every day. And I have a project called Genova AI, Genova AI Chatbot, my student project. It's about chatbot that I want to enhance to be a virtual assistant and change it to be AI agent. I create this AI to make this AI to be educations and help the children to learn to understand that they don't understand, and lots of more that's like in the educations. Bring this project to the next level, I urgently need a laptop that can running an LLMs. And also, I'm searching for scholarships to enter one of the top junior high school in the South Tangerang, because for me, I need to know something else in this world, and there's a lot of things that I didn't know, so I wanted to know about that. About the possibilities ahead and deeply appreciate your time and considerations. With your support, I can continue innovating and learning and making a meaningful impact in the education and the technology. Thank you.